In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily blur, pixelate, or basically censor a face in your Filmora video. And there will be two different methods that we are going to cover in this video. There is the traditional method, and then there is also the new AI method. We're going to cover both of them. So let's get started with the simplest form of censoring in a video. Now I have this video of a person just standing and just looking at his phone, and this video is very simple because the person is basically not moving, he's static, he's stay in the same place, and that makes the censoring a lot easier. So what you need to do is you have to visit the effects menu, and then here you want to search for Mosaic option. There are many other versions of this, but this is the simplest one that I'm going to apply to my video. Let's click and then drag it on top of the video that I want to censor. And after that, you can see that in the video there is this square blur effect, and we just need to put this on top of his face, and you might want to resize it to fit to perfectly on top of his face. Let's do that. And by the way, on the effects section, you will see that there are different options, different styles that you can apply. Let's try this one, and I'm going to increase the strength as well. And yeah, that's basically it. So when we are done, we can just preview the video. This is the original, and we got the effect running. That looks really cool. So if you want to make it longer, you can always resize or adjust the length of the clip. So basically it's going to cover the entire clip when this person appears. Now, this type of censoring is simple because the person is not moving. But what if you have multiple people, or you have a person that's kinda moving dynamically, like this video? You can see that there are different people, and also the video is much more dynamic. The face is not stays in the same position because the camera is moving. Now, how do you apply censoring on that video? Well, we can use AI. Now I'm going to click on this video. My goal here is I want to censor her face, the person in the middle, and you have to navigate to AI tools right here on the video, and then AI tools. And let me zoom in a little bit. Let's scroll down, and you want to click on motion tracking. So this is the feature that we want to use. Click on it, and then here on the video you'll see there's this a rectangle. This is the area that you want to select. You want to select the person that you want to censor. So AI is trying to track this area, and hopefully we get a much better censoring using this method. After that, you can click to start motion tracking. Click on that, and we just need to wait until it finishes. You can see that the AI is trying to figure out the position of the person, and when you're done, you can see that there is link element. You can click and then click add a mosaic, and we got the same effect as before, except now it's going to follow her face. Now I'm going to resize it, and after that, again, you can change the mode. Let's try that, and I'm going to maximize this, and let's play the video. There you go. As you can see, it is definitely moving. It's not staying in the same location, and that's the thing that we want to achieve. By the way, I forgot to mention that the playhead position when you are applying the motion tracking is very important. I put the playhead right here when I'm applying the motion tracking effect, and that's why only this section has the motion tracking. If you extend the mosaic effect, it's not going to work. It cannot do that because there is no motion tracking data on this section of the video, and that's why it's very important to put the playhead at the very beginning of the video or clip that you want to censor. So I guess that's basically it. Or maybe you can also use another mosaic tool. I forgot to cover that at the beginning, but this is not using AI, and not like this one. So there's another one called Mosaic. If you go to the effects menu and then search for Mosaic, there is something called face off. Yeah, this is free. This is not required pro version of Filmora. You can apply this right here, and it will try to detect every face on the video, and again, it is moving as well. So that's one thing that you can try if you want to censor multiple people. You can definitely use that. It's not as pretty as the AI method, but if you find this technique useful, then I guess you can try that, and I think it's good enough in most cases. So that's basically it. That's how you can censor a video or face in your Filmora project. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.